ito yung becoming a Chillyonaryo. You know, like, it's not necessarily having a mansion and a swimming pool on your backyard, but it's like enjoying your life, but at the same time, you're not suffering financially. Because parang kasing yung feeling na ganun eh, if you're gonna look at our society, right, there are people who are enjoying what they do, but then they are broke. And then some people, another part of the population is they make good money, but they hate their jobs and themselves. Does that make sense? Always like in between eh. Alam ba, gusto mo, malaki nga kita mo, lugmok ka naman. Masaya ka nga, gutom naman ang sikmura. You guys can see that? Right? This sounds familiar? Can you type amen? Right? And the worst of all, kalam ng sikmura mo, you hate your job pa. Okay? So, that is the thing. And that is what I like becoming a Chillyonaryo is like, how can you actually do the work? Like right now, I am working, guys. I'm not becoming a Chillyonaryo meaning like passive income, like lazy doing nothing. No. Chillyonaryo is like you enjoy your life. You're happy with what you do. You get paid. Secure din ang buhay ng family mo. Right? Minsan kasi, especially in a religious setting, mas binibigyan ng importance and value yung mga taong, oh my God, yung sinakripisyo na yung career niya. Talagang nabubuhay lang siya sa tulong ng ibang tao. Sila yung mga bayaning. Kailangan tayuan natin ng rebulto. Right? But really? Kinakailangan ba ganon to help people? Do you really have to suffer to help other people? Like si Bill Gates, mukha ba siyang nagsasuffer? And yet, giving away $3 million per day sa kanyang non-profit organization. And then nag-combine pa sila si Bill Gates, nag-combine pa sila ni Warren Buffett. So two of the wealthiest people in the world, I believe they are now have the largest non-profit organization. They're like solving problems that no one would like to solve. Like I watched kasi yung recent video ni Bill Gates sa Netflix. He can hire the best engineer in the world, pay them just to solve a problem without getting something in return. That's why I highly recommend, my friend, that you rewire your thinking about money and wealth. Instead of you being wealthy, that means nagiging greedy ka, mapupunta ka sa impyerno, maging wealthy ka so you can help a lot of people. There is a saying, you cannot give what you do not have. You cannot give what you do not have. How can you help other people kung ikaw nga hindi mo matulungan ang sarili mo? Tama po ba ako? Am I right or am I correct? Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.